Assalamu alaikum. In this video I'll show you how to create image to video using Google Video. Let's get started. Go to the right side and click the image. Choose the image prompt and select the image size and click the create. Wait some time for image generation. Now insert the image. Now click the convert to video and add the prompt or image description and click the generate. Now check the video generation is completed. Insert this video and replace. Now play the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.